Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Xbox Game Pass for free. So what you want to do is go over to this site. It's called ogsnags.com and they have all these deals. So find where it says Xbox Game Pass. You can just like search it up if you can't find it. So let me just type it in right here. And as you can see, it says Xbox Game Pass. So just press on it. And as you can see, it says free Game Pass. And 56 people generated a Xbox Game Pass code today. So I'm going to press show coupon code and just wait for it to load. Alright, so loads guys, you just want to go ahead and press get full code and it's going to bring you to a new page, and on this page guys, what you need to do is enter your email address. So make sure you put in your email and they'll send you the code guys. So that's how you get free Xbox Game Pass. But one thing I want to mention is after you enter your email, you might see a page like this where you got to register. This is totally fine guys. Make sure you fill this out, and then at the end you might see the deal page where you got to complete one deal. So as you can see, they got this Monopoly Go one where it costs $0 to deal that costs $0, and I have to reach board 18, so that's pretty easy, right? So I'm gonna see you guys later, but that's how you can get free Xbox Game Pass fully working guys. So it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it because this is super cool and it's like updated and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not interested in PCs or anything like that, so I just wanted Xbox Game Pass, like playing games in the cloud and stuff. So this is super cool guys. So I'm gonna see you later. So just remember guys, all you have to do is put in your email address into that page and then they will send you the code. So make sure it's an email that you own, that you have access to, and you guys should be good to go. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super crazy and it fully works. So I'm gonna see you guys later and peace out, bro.